Here I have HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select moving picture here. So let's take some moving picture. So how it works? Do I have to hold? Why is there no moving picture in my gallery? Okay, now it works. Okay, now let's check out these moving pictures. So when you open this moving picture in gallery, it seems like a normal still picture, but when you hold your finger on it, it starts moving, and it also has sound on it. Now it works. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.